What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be reviewing first initial impressions, the Ryobi, their new brushless vacuum. This is the PBLSV717K. So I was unboxing this thing. I was using the shop vac. I didn't post that video yet as of now, but hopefully I'm going to do it before you see this and you see how disappointed I was in that. And I'm going to use this to vacuum some furniture. Now, I used a shop vac to vacuum the one over there. And it was like, okay, but I'm going to use this to vacuum the other one. And as I was unboxing it, I was seeing some interesting things, and I thought I would just talk about it. So first off, let's go over what comes in the box. I don't recall it being a kit. So it came with a 4 amp hour high output battery, which is a pleasant surprise. And I probably did see that it was a kit. It was on sale when I showed you guys, and I just don't remember it being a kit. But it comes with this faster charger. I don't know if it's the fastest one. I think there's a faster one than this, but this is like a mid-grade one. The vacuum itself, the canister in like the smoke black color. This right here is to prop it up against the wall. Then you have this tool here, which is like a decent one too. It's like a pet tool attachment, which they never advertise. So that's cool. Then they have this. This is pretty much standard with any vacuum. You can expect to get this little thing. Then they have one stick. And I'm sitting here asking myself, like, does this mug extend? Because this is pretty short. Well, we're going to see, because nobody's trying to be hunched over while they're vacuuming. Or am I missing one? I don't know. But then you have the actual floor roller there. You have this thing. I've never seen anything like this before. But I know one thing. This would be perfect for like vents in cars. So it's called a micro crevice tool. That's cool. Doing return vents and stuff in the house. Then, of course, you have this nozzle here. Getting in between your seats. And then the seat cushions and all that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to throw down a charger, but I have another one that I'm going to use. Put it together, and then we'll check back in. Okay, so let's check out the modes on this thing. And it's up high. It's good. It's a good height. It's perfect. It's perfect, actually. So on here, we have right where your hand is, we have, this is power. And then this is going to be eco mode. And this is to turn the brushes, the rollers on and off. So everything's very convenient. And let's go ahead and use it a little bit. Bam, and as you saw, it stood up by itself just fine. This is high power. And I'm going to actually turn off the light so you guys can see how it performs in the dark, that really didn't help very much. All right, there we go. It's not a lot of light now. Let's do this again. All right, so the light is bright. It's kind of blinding though, because it's that hyper white blue light. It was so bright that I couldn't even see that white thing. I think it's a piece of popcorn. On the floor there, but we're going to go ahead and try to get that up now. And I want to show you guys how agile this bad boy is. Look at that. Bow. Bow. Just a little twist of the wrist and bow, that thing is going. Bow. I do like that. So let's go. Bow. Got it, no problem. Let's go over here. Whoop. There's something big right there. Let's put it on eco. So I just put it in eco and you can hear it's a lot quieter now. So let's see if it'll pick that thing up. Gone with the wind. All right, so let's do some hard floors. And we can turn the roller off. And it's on eco. And let's see what it does. We got some stuff over here. I actually did all right. Okay, let's see. Some oats. It's an oat on the floor. Let's see. God dang, that's on eco. That's all that stuff down there. Let's see. Oh, I got some of it. Hold on. Let's turn the roller back on. Okay, I actually think this is stuck to the floor. Let's see. Oh yeah, stuck. Dang, it was getting other stuff, but all that stuff was stuck. I need a mop. All right, so stand it back up. And what we're going to do now is we're going to detach this part, the top part, and we're going to put one of these little attachments on there, and we're going to go ahead and do the chair over there. Okay, so real quick, I was just putting this on, and it was really hard to put on. So I took it off, and I took it off so hard, I hit the wall. Dang. This is a little bit damaged, but it was already damaged, so I'm not really tripping off that. It's kind of the character. But I did mess this up just a tad. It still worked fine, but I just wanted to make you guys aware of that. Maybe after several on and offs, it'll loosen up. But yeah, doc's a point for that. So let's go ahead and see how it does with this cushion. Ooh, oh shoot. Okay, so that's actually really, really nice. I'm going to zoom out because that was kind of hard to do it and hold at the same time. Let's see. It feels really good in your hand too. It feels like I mean, obviously this thing can't pivot, so that's where I'm kind of getting messed up at. All right, that got really heavy after a while. I don't want to sit on that. That got heavy after a while, mainly because I'm trying to film and do it at the same time. But with two hands, I think that'd be pretty easy. Also, that chair is a little awkward. So, yeah, this thing has some great power, you guys. Great power. I'm actually happy. I'm not sad about the purchase at all. I paid like $217 for whatever it was when I showed it to you guys. I think you can kind of put these together. If you have like an older one, I think you can buy this double roller one. I like the double roller because this part gets like close to edges on the walls. I know I have a shark and this kind of protrudes out just a tad bit. This is not as elevated as a shark, but it has like, this part is soft, almost like a tennis ball. This is soft and this is a little rough to give you a little scrapage going on there, and you see it rolls up the tougher part. So it's going to get complete coverage there. And then you have another softer brush there. Then you have these harder bristles in the back. So I like it. Let's see, to remove the brushes, it looks like it's pretty easy. I don't know if I could do this with my finger, but you would get like a coin and turn this. What am I doing? Get a coin and turn this, and it'll unlock this, and you should be able to replace them. Now, I did see in one of the reviews that they were saying there are no replacement rollers because it's new. That's what Ryobi was saying. It was new, even though it's like, I mean, you had the rollers for this. You have replacement rollers. So I don't think that'll be an issue in the future. But yeah, I like it. I'll keep an eye out for sales on this thing, and I will let you guys know, like I always do, when there's a good sale. But I am quite pleased. Most of the people in the reviews were saying that too. They end up buying the extra ones. Now, I don't know. I haven't seen this tool only, though. I've only seen it as a kit. If I recall, I went back on there and looked, and I couldn't find this tool only. I just see it as a kit for $2.99 for the double roller, and I think it was like $2.49 for the single. So, yeah. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Just wanted to show you guys that. I'm not going to use that. I don't think it's necessary because it stands up just fine by itself. And that is a big thing with these canister ones and the battery operated ones. You usually need a stand to drill into the wall to hold it up. And I don't like that. That's too much damage to a house for a vacuum. You know, you're going to get new vacuums, and eventually, you know, you're going to have to replace some damage you've done to the wall all behind a vacuum you had for a few years. So I don't think that makes any sense. But I do like this system because it stands up by itself. So anyway, bye.